there's this new Instagram feature where you can allow other people to share your stories. So this will have a higher reach. You have more people seeing your stories instead of just posting it on your own. Somebody else can share it. Last time you can reshare the post. That's why you see certain stories have posts only, but now you can reshare stories. So that's great. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow other people to share your stories onto their stories. Okay, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my phone and let me show you how you can allow people to reshare your stories onto their story. First of all, let's open up your Instagram app. Click on the bottom right, which is your profile. Same thing for Android and iPhone as well. It's about the bottom right. And then you click on the top right, the 3 lines. Click on it. Then you scroll down. You should be able to see how others can interact with you. You can see there's word here, sharing and reuse. Click on it. There, you can see, right, there's 4 options. Post and reels to stories. That means you can share, let other people share your posts and reels to their stories. Or now there's a new option here, stories to stories. This is relatively new and not all accounts have it yet. Alright, so you can just turn it on. If you see it, then it's great. If it's not there, then you just have to wait. This is the option for you to allow people to share your stories to their own stories. We have not seen that really implemented yet. Alright, stories in messages, we have seen it. Repost on posts and reels, this one all we have seen it. But stories on stories, this second line is relatively new. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you. Do try it out, allow people to share your stories. So yeah, this is how you allow viewers to reshare your Instagram stories.